Death. Ever wondered how a simple lizard skin turns into $1 million luxury handbag? Today, we're going deep inside a factory that has mastered this incredible transformation. But this isn't just any lizard. We're talking about the legendary Komodo dragon. How did this fearsome predator become the source material for some of the world's most exclusive luxury goods? Let's find out. First, let's address the elephant or, rather, the dragon in the room. Komodo dragons are a protected species. They are majestic, powerful creatures, and their conservation is a top priority. So, how can their skin possibly be used for leather? The answer is complex and surprising. It involves a combination of ethical sourcing from regulated farms and, believe it or not, a revolutionary synthetic material that perfectly mimics the real thing. The industry has evolved. And what we call Komodo leather today is often a testament to human ingenuity rather than hunting. Let's begin with the traditional, ethically sourced hide. It all starts at specialized, government-monitored farms. Here, the animals are raised under strict regulations that ensure their welfare and the sustainability of the population. Once a hide is ethically harvested, it arrives at the factory as a raw, stiff material. The first step is crucial: cleaning and soaking. The skin is submerged in large vats of water to rehydrate it and remove any impurities. This process can take several days, softening the hide and preparing it for the next stage. It's a delicate balance. Too much soaking can damage the skin, while too little leaves it unworkable. Next comes the tanning process. This is where the magic truly begins. Tanning is the chemical process that converts the rawhide into stable, durable leather, preventing it from decomposing. There are two primary methods: chrome tanning and vegetable tanning. Chrome tanning is faster, using chromium salts to produce a soft, pliable leather that holds color well. It's the go-to for many modern luxury goods. The hides are tumbled in massive drums filled with the chrome tanning solution for hours. The bright blue color of the hides after this stage, known as wet blue, is a strange but iconic sight in any tannery. On the other hand, vegetable tanning is an ancient, more natural method. It uses tannins derived from organic materials like tree bark and leaves. This process is much slower, sometimes taking weeks or even months. The result is a firmer, more robust leather with a rich, earthy aroma. A material as unique as Komodo leather, with its distinctive scale pattern. Vegetable tanning is often preferred as it beautifully preserves the natural texture and character of the skin. The choice of tanning method depends entirely on the desired finish for the final product, be it a soft handbag or a sturdy pair of shoes. After tanning, the leather is far from finished. It needs to be refined. The shaving stage is next, where a specialized machine shaves the flesh side of the hide to achieve a uniform thickness. This is a high-precision job. A fraction of a millimeter too thin, and the leather loses its strength. Too thick, and it will be too heavy and stiff for a luxury accessory. The craftsmen operating these machines are true masters of their trade, with years of experience feeling out the perfect thickness by hand. Then comes dye, and this is where the leather gets its vibrant color. Large vats of dye are prepared, and the hides are submerged, sometimes for hours, to ensure deep, even penetration. For luxury goods, color consistency is paramount. A brand's signature red or classic black must be identical across thousands of products. Specialists use precise formulas and keen eyes to match shades perfectly, often adjusting batches by hand to get the exact hue required by the world's top fashion houses. But what about that synthetic alternative I mentioned? This is where the industry gets truly innovative. Scientists and material engineers have developed a stunningly realistic vegan Komodo leather. It starts with a base fabric, often made from recycled materials. This fabric is then coated with layers of a specialized polymer. The real artistry comes from the embossing process. A massive heated metal plate, etched with a perfect 3D scan of a real Komodo skin, is pressed onto the polymer surface. This imprints the iconic pebbled, scaled texture with incredible detail. It's so convincing that even experts can have a hard time telling it apart from the real thing without close inspection. The synthetic process not only avoids any ethical concerns, but also offers greater consistency and durability. It can be made waterproof, scratch-resistant, and in any color imaginable. opening up a world of design possibilities that traditional leather can't always match. The rise of this high-tech alternative shows that the luxury market is adapting, responding to consumer demand for both beauty and sustainability. Many top brands now proudly use these advanced materials in their collections. Back in the factory, whether the leather is natural or synthetic, the final stages are all about finishing. The dyed leather is dried, either by hanging it in controlled environments or passing it through heated tunnels. After drying, it can be quite stiff. To restore its softness, it's staked a process where the leather is massaged and stretched by a machine with vibrating pins, breaking up the fibers and making it supple. Finally, a top coat is applied. This finish can be anything from a high-gloss patent sheen to a soft, matte finish. This protective layer seals the color, adds resistance to water and stains, and gives the leather its final luxurious feel. Every single hide is then inspected by hand under bright lights. Inspectors look for any imperfections, scratches, color inconsistencies, or textural flaws. Only the absolute best, the grade A skins, will be sent to the workshops of luxury brands. A single flaw can cause a whole hide to be rejected, showcasing the incredibly high standards of the industry. From the factory floor, these perfect hides are shipped to ateliers around the world. Their skilled artisans cut, stitch, and shape them into the breathtaking handbags, wallets, and accessories you see in high-end boutiques. Scale, pattern is carefully aligned, every stitch is placed with precision. The journey from a raw, rugged skin to a polished, $1,000 masterpiece is a long and intricate one, blending ancient craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. It's a testament to how an industry can innovate, balancing the demand for exotic luxury with a growing consciousness for conservation and ethics. Whether it's through strictly regulated farming or incredible synthetic materials, the allure of Komodo leather continues to captivate the world of fashion. It's not just a material. It's a story of transformation, skill, and adaptation. So the next time you see a product with that unique, reptilian pattern, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken. It's a process that honors both the power of nature and the height of human creativity. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into how the world's most amazing things are made. See you next time.